Hey guys, Josh here with Zing Dynasty. Today we're going to be doing kofta. Now kofta is a pretty simple Middle Eastern shawarma, much more simple than stacking it all onto a skewer. We are going to be using a sort of minced meat. I'm going to be doing beef today. You can do lamb or chicken. And it's just a really easy way to introduce yourself to Middle Eastern cooking. And without further ado, let's get into it.
So we're going to start with the beef. Add about a pound of ground beef to a bowl, then add 1 minced onion and 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic, an egg, a cup of breadcrumbs, a half cup of yogurt to help it brown, salt and pepper to taste, a half cup chopped parsley, and this amazing kefta kebab seasoning that you should be able to find at any Middle Eastern market or Asian supermarket. Add that in and then mix it all up with your hands until thoroughly combined, making sure there are no clumps of breadcrumb or anything of that nature. Seal with a lid and refrigerate while we move on to the yogurt sauce. In a small bowl, add about a cup of yogurt, a quarter cup of lemon juice, a half cup of dill, and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix it all up with a spoon until thoroughly combined, then set aside and refrigerate while we move on to the rice. For the rice, add a cup of Basmati rice to a sifter and then run it under cold water until the water underneath the sifter runs clear. Use your hands to make sure that there's no dry rice. Then, add it to a medium-sized saucepan over medium-high heat with about a teaspoon of turmeric or more to your liking and a generous portion of salt. Stir it up until the turmeric is coating all the rice and it's got that nice yellow hue. Then add a cup and a half of lukewarm water, a handful of raisins, a handful of pine nuts, and once again stir so that everything is combined, cover it and let it come to a boil. Once at a boil, remove the lid and reduce the heat to a simmer or to the lowest heat setting on your burner, and you can give it a good stir here as well. Then let it steam here for about 12 to 15 minutes and you should have some nice fluffy yellow turmeric raisin rice. Set aside on a pot rest and let's get to roasting that meat. Line a baking sheet with foil and using wet bamboo skewers prepare the meat. Add about a fifth of the kofta mince that we made to each skewer, making sure it's evenly distributed throughout and then it's tightly packed on there. There's no tip here other than to practice until you've got it nailed down. It just takes time. The last few kofta kebabs will be easier than the first few, guaranteed. Then place all the kebabs on a baking tray, no need to oil it, and put them on the middle rack of a preheated 400-degree oven for just about 20 to 25 minutes or until they come out looking like this. When they look like that, they're ready.
Kofta is a really good introduction to Middle Eastern cuisine. Not only is it easy, it's just really fun to make, it's full of flavor, it's just delicious. And if you like what you saw, please click that like button. And if you want to follow for more spicy recipes, make sure that you subscribe to the Zing Dynasty. Once again, I'm Josh, and I'll catch you next time for more awesome spice-filled recipes.